Stop scrolling. Just pause for a moment. I know why you stopped. You read the title, Allah is happy with you, and the very first thought that came to your mind was not with me. You are fasting, you are trying, but the burden of past mistakes is always screaming in your head. You see others reading the Quran with pure hearts, standing in Taraweeh, and you feel like a hypocrite. You feel that because of the sins you committed before Ramadan, maybe your fast has no value at all. But listen to me carefully. Who told you that the month of Ramadan is only for perfect people? Ramadan is a hospital for the broken-hearted, not a museum for flawless people. The pain you are feeling in your chest right now, the guilt you are suffering from while fasting, that is Iman, faith. This proves that your heart is not dead yet.
If Allah had completely turned away from you, He wouldn't have given you the chance to experience another Ramadan. When you raise your hands at iftar with tears in your eyes, feeling too ashamed to even ask Allah for forgiveness because you have broken your promises many times before, you know what? Allah loves that repentant heart of yours. He loves those tears. Shaitan is chained up right now, but his old whispers are still trying to convince you that you have fallen too far away, that there is no way back for you. Do not believe his words. Allah is only waiting for your return. A sincere repentance with a broken heart and a firm resolve never to commit that sin again, and He has the power to erase all your past. You are never unworthy of Allah's mercy. Your hidden crying, your silent battles, your daily struggle to stay away from a sin, He sees it all. You are here, you are trying, and in this blessed month, despite your thousands of flaws, the fact that you haven't given up, Allah is happy with you just for that. Keep fasting, keep praying, keep returning to Him. You are exactly where Allah wants you to be.